Akiaria na andiki a mohoro Minista uria urugamirire wenji wa mahiga ma goro o undu umwe na maguta John Munyees niaugite no nginyagi enji a mahiga ma goro mwena ucio makoragwo na rutha rwa kwenja mahiga kuma kuri ene migunda.
We will ensure we pursue those people who are actually trading illegally, and that's why we're working with county governments. We want the governors to take lead in this. We want the Minister of Interior to help us so that we catch on these criminals.
Ihinda-ini o riu munini wa gavana wa Taita Taveta Majala Mlagui niaugite thirikari yake iri na unyitaniri na thirikari nene nimegutigerera enji a mahiga ma goro ni marumira mitaratara iria yagireire.
Kama kaunti tunataka kuhakikisha kwamba sekta ya madini tunawahudumia wawekezaji vizuri, na kwamba kama kuna chochote ambacho wanafaa kulipa kama ushuru katika kaunti wameilipia kisawasawa.
Oho mbunge wa Taveta Naomi Shaban niaugite mutaratara wa watho wa wenji wa mahiga maya ni ukuhotithia aikari kugunika hanene gukira hau kabere.
People who invest in that sector were not held to account, and the communities in these areas were not benefiting from the natural resource, that is the minerals. So these engagements from the national government, the ministry, county government, and the community, it's very, very important.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Wangu wa Kanyi.